Babe, let us see your outfit. Okay, girl. Like, me and my friends are really gonna be sliding in this Mustang though. Like, made it to Chuck E. Cheese. Look at auntie, y'all. Go, Faye. Faye, let us see your outfit. Okay, girl. Child, look at the mammy right there, child.
Look at the ass. Straight fucking pull up.
You ready to go have fun, Faye? We done got the Chuck E. Cheese. Come on. We finna have a ball. We here for Cam's birthday or whatnot. We taking Faith.
You need to wake up, man.
Hit it, babe! You gotta hit it! Look at me. Babe, look, babe! No! Hit it, babe! Yeah, she not up. Now this the birthday boy right here. Oh, they done? Honey, that's how you do it right there. Babe. She just woke up from a nap, y'all. She ain't even trying to play nothing right now. Girl. Little outfit meal.
Shoes, purple tie, shorts, Walmart, shirt on Jodeci. I think Jodeci made it. Hat on me, makeup on me,
Face feet. Girl, face is top laid and slayed. Come on, Faith, look. We finna get on this. Come on. Oh, baby. You gotta watch out. Ready? I got the I got the thing right here. Go, Faith, look, right here. Get it, Faith, look. Go ahead, Faith. Oh, shit, join this moment. Go, Faith. Go, Faith. Look. The next day Y'all, I had so much fun at Chuck E. Cheese. We went to Cam's birthday party. Cam actually turned 3 years old. Y'all, it's so crazy how fast time fly by with kids. Like, y'all, he was just a baby, like literally a baby. But y'all see me in the car right now because your girl sitting in front of Dollar General because I decided I was gonna have a beach day today. Like, I don't want to sit inside the house. I don't want to go down to the city today, and plus I live 6 minutes away from the beach, so it's like, why not go to the beach that's 6 minutes away? But I decided to have a beach day with my baby. Here she goes, my baby sir. Y'all see her? Yeah, I'm literally starting to take her outside more and more all the times for her to just get used to the surrounding areas and get familiar with things. So she's gonna go to the beach today, and I already got a backpack and I got her towel pack. So this is what I got in my bag really quick. So I got my bathing suit. Of course your girl got a cover up. I got me some towels or whatnot. I got my book so I could go ahead and write down things. And then I got a dress to put on after we leave the beach, and I got this Bluetooth speaker. So I got everything like that. It's gonna really be like a chill beach day, collecting my thoughts, feelings, and things like that all in one. I have to go on Dollar General to get some snacks though. I'm not necessarily knowing what I'm going to get out of here. I know I was supposed to go to Publix to get a sub, but then when I looked up Publix, it was kind of like too far, and I was like, okay, you know what? It's okay. We just gotta do something else. So I'm probably gonna get some chips. I'm not sure about ice cream because I like ice cream, but I'm not really in love with ice cream to get it. I don't know. So let me go ahead and go to Dollar General because it is $3.17 right now. Let me go ahead and throw this stuff in the back. I'm really taking her out the house. That is freaking crazy. So I am down the aisle where they have the arts and crafts, and I'm trying to find a coloring book, which I cannot find at all. Like, this is everything that they have. So they really don't have any coloring books, which suck because I really want to try a coloring book. Let me see. That's not it. Okay, so one thing that I did find was this right here. And it's called Born to Shine, which is really cute. And then it has the colors right here. So I guess I'm gonna just get this. So I'm gonna put that in the cart. Let me see what else they got. Water pads, 20 sheets. What else? Okay, so I got that. Let me see if they got coloring books. I feel like they should. I probably just not want to write out. Oh. Oh, guys, they have this. Oh, I like this. This is really cute. So I'm gonna get one of these. So I'm just not leaving Dollar General. I had done got me chips, grandma cookies. I got me 2 things of something to drink, and I also went ahead and got this big ass umbrella, y'all, which I knew I needed. It was only like $17, so I was like, you know what, I'm gonna go ahead and get it because I need it. And I did not even think that when push comes to shove, I'm going to need an umbrella. Lady, please don't walk out here because I don't get paid enough to hit nobody. But yeah, the umbrella I most definitely need it. So now we are on our way to the beach. Sir, y'all, she's just sitting there. I know she's like, girl, what you got us doing? Sir, but the beach is so freaking beautiful. Like, look at it. Oh my God. Well, maybe I can't see. Look at that. That is beautiful, y'all. Literally. And the beach is straight ahead. Right there. And we is almost there. Y'all, we made it to the beach. Look at her, y'all. She is like, what is going on here? I got the umbrella put up. It took a minute for me to put the umbrella up, but I got everything that I need. So this is my stuff. So I got my snacks and a drink, my goals book, and this right here that I'm going to be using. This is so cute. And just relaxing. Look how this water looks. And this water most definitely gives. You guys, something's wrong with Sir. Sir, what's the problem? Yeah, that's my baby. So spoiled for real. And she is real like spoiled. I'm done with you. Back up on my bullshit, back up on the scene. Done dealing with you, don't know how to deal with me. Done fucking with you, don't know how to love me. Done dealing with you, so it seemed like I get so much, I don't get nothing back. I really thought it was love, but you're so fucking whack. Always get caught up in love, but I am done with that. I can't get caught up in love, so now I'm, flexing on my exes and my Model X. Pretty little, skinny, little bitty body Model X. Some of y'all ain't never had no real bitch and it shows. I keep it 100 from my head down to my toes. Back up on my bullshit, back up on the move. Touchdown in my hometown, got nothing. Early in the morning, late at night. You don't get a lot of time. Alright, wait. Go back outside, it's okay. You pray for my demons, though I catch you. Every time I sip on codeine, I get pumped. Annoying the sound of the storm when it comes. You understand, I can't take every word, nigga, call me. I done made it feel like the truth on the corner. I can hear your tears when they drop over the phone. Can't mad at yourself, just ain't leaving you alone. Gossip, can't listen, it ain't from the phone. Let me finish coloring because Sir is not staying still. She is literally moving all around. Our freaking umbrella came down. So we're literally up in the sun. But other than that, the beach is giving. It's giving. We about to go in a little bit because it's getting late and I know she's tired and aggravated because she's starting to get black underneath, and that kind of means that they is like stressed or aggravated and stuff. So we about to go. Probably in a little bit. But this sun ain't for me. Like, right, y'all, so I am back home for cleaning up my car. And honestly, I'm happy that my car is cleaned out because, y'all, my car was so freaking dirty to the point it looks like I was living inside of my car. Literally, like, it just gave dirty and I was not feeling it. I was like, yeah, this girl, baby, I'm a girl. I'm not even supposed to be driving around no dirty car. So right now, as you guys can see my background, I am clearly outside and I am sitting on the rooftop of my apartment. Y'all, it is so freaking nice up here, so I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna give y'all like a little rooftop tour since we're gonna be out here today because your girl got some stuff to handle. I'm gonna be doing some videos and YouTube work as well as writing down some of my goals. And look at what I posted on Instagram. I'm waiting for this to load, but it says stay focused. But yeah, so this is my cute little area that I have today going on. And if you guys know, when I said Atlanta, I did not even dock this door for us. So I'm surprised that I'm even outside. But I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys like a little rooftop tour. But first I'm gonna go inside the game room so you guys can actually see what it looks like in here. So this is the game room, y'all. They have one game right here. And they also have another game right here. And this game right here is broken. But I like that they have this bench right here so you can actually sit down while somebody is playing either or in game. But this view is gorgeous, which is really, really nice. And then we're gonna come out this way. And walking this way, as you guys can see, it's 2 TVs up here, and it is a open island right here, which I really like. And these green chairs complement this look very, very well. Like, it gives me like if I'm on an island. I really like that, especially like the grass wall background. I love that. Then right here you have 2 chairs that's right next to this window right here. The 2 chairs I also like is very, very big, and it's giving. Now this right here, I don't know, it says Laura Ransom. So what the hell is that? Is that the lights? So there's probably like the lights that's up there for that. And they got 2 Bluetooth speakers. They also have this table right here, so if you have any family or friends that want to come over and, you know, just hang out on the rooftop, they can. And then here is my little area, which is so freaking cute, y'all. So I got my stuff right here. Y'all don't mind that. This actually flew off because it really looks like it's going to rain when you look over there. That looks like rain, but I'm not too sure, so I don't want to speak up on it. But yeah, so that's my whole little cute view. But I also got some stuff I need to do. And then also while I'm out here, I'm going to be recording story time because I did not upload my story time on Sunday. I actually have to do it soon. So I'm going to go ahead and record a story time video. And I think I'm going to also upload something that's like a girl talk video. But I don't want to speak too much on it. But yeah, so we're going to do all of that stuff today. While I'm outside. And then your girl is relaunching her business at the same time. So it's like I got to do story time. Then I'm doing this vlog. Then I got to turn around and start preparing myself and everything for my lash business lunch, which I am very, very excited about, y'all, because if y'all really don't know, half of y'all is new to the channel, but I sell lashes. But this time around, I just want everything to be perfect. Like, I do not want to do too much as far as like get all 25mm lashes, because honestly to me the 25mm is kind of played out. I kind of outgrew it. So this time around I want to have different length lashes, as well as I want like my scripts to also be as if they are mink extensions, so where it's like short, long, flare outs, like probably like 12, 14, 16, 18 or stuff like that. That's the look that I'm going for this relaunch. Now I actually do not have a launch date. Everything to just be perfect. I feel like last time I kind of rushed on it, and this time around when I go ahead to release my lashes, I want it to be as perfect as possible. Like, I don't want no mistakes. Photo shoot, lash names, all that got to be A1, like A1. So I need to actually get on the phone with my best friend to actually see, because she actually called my phone not too long ago. So I'm gonna FaceTime her back, try to get some kind of ideas. At the same time, I'm also going to be editing this week's vlog in the same token. Workout.
YouTube.
Gonna go ahead and wrap me up.
This is the duet. Can't show y'all the name.
Alright, you ain't got shit to enjoy.
But I don't wanna say your name. That makes me look at you too often. Baby, if you get something, baby, if you run all the time.
Really snatch after this. Like, yes, the BBL. And y'all see the orange outfit.
Don't tell nobody I'm a dog was snatched by Tay.
Ooh.
Playing.
Go be. But see, I don't want to get too skinny right here, because then I look buff up here.
You're not gonna look too skinny.
Yes, I'm talking about like too snatch. I will look buff up here.
No, you not.
Yes, bro, I'm gonna be like this.
No, you not. You gonna
Yes,
see.
I am. I'm gonna be like this.
No, you not. Trust me.
Bruh. Nothing. I'm sucking my stomach. I just want to flat something in a nice bag. Like,
Trust.
look.
Do you trust me?
But that's it. Look how I already look like a bodybuilder like this.
Girl.
Yes, I look buff up here.
Come on, man, because you talking too much.
How you mad at me? Because I'm telling you what I look like.
Hold this there.
Baby, I'm late, but I can check in with you. I know that I need my friend, but I wouldn't wanna leave, you know. I wouldn't wanna bleed, even my body
So we is at the car dealership and we is car shopping today. So we are looking at the Mustang and this is how it looks. Y'all, like, this car looks really, really good. For real. Like, look at this. And this right here is the door handle. And this is nice. This has another one on the inside. Look at this one. This is the back. Look at this Mustang, so nice. This is the front interior. It looked just about the same. And then this is the side profile of the vehicle. But I really like that all you have to do is hit this button and it opens, which is so crazy. I really, really like that. That's unique. And then this part right here is also unique. Like, you just pull it from right here. That's freaking crazy. That is wild. And then this is how the back looks. So it gives me foreign in the back, you know. You get the girls foreign. And then of course, like, this is the other side view. And then they got these right here. I don't know what these means, but that's fine. And then you get inside. And this is how it looks on the inside. Now we got the touch screen. It most definitely gives the girls Tesla, baby. This is Tesla, and that's on period. I got my little Wendy's right here, but they got the little cable cord, these cup holders, and then they got this piece right here, y'all, that you can also store stuff down on. But this one is nice, honey. Child, me and my friends gonna be sliding. Y'all get out the way when y'all see this Mustang coming through, boo. But like, I'm too hyped right now. But he really got his mind set on this Mustang. So yeah, see if we could test drive it.
No, that was customized. Like, this is somebody's car.
Oh shit. What about the one out there?
You can't, these cars specifically, you can't.
Okay, did you ask them or you just assuming?
No, like, I'm assuming, like how she talking, because I'm going to tell you.
I want to know. Child, not me sitting in somebody else's car.
These the only two they got. She said somebody customized this one, and it's not going to be here tomorrow. Shit going to be gone.
Well, let me get these people's shit right now. Here, let's say, grab my stuff.
Yeah. You done left crumbs in these people's stuff.
Boy, always embarrassing me.
Yeah, this been customized.
Well, what's another car?
So,
now I'm looking at the Tesla. So I don't know who Greg is, but Greg got his shit up on you. But I like this. Look at the roof. The two sunroofs and the panoramic roof is perfect. They got the radio on here. Let me see. Oh, I already got the camera. That is crazy. Okay, what's this? Oh, okay. They got theater. Oh, Netflix, Hulu, Disney Plus. Oh, they even got TikTok. That's crazy. Twitch and YouTube. Okay, arcade is what? Let me see. Sonic. Yeah. But this is very nice. Tesla is nice too. Tesla has nice cars. And the trunk is in the plate. What's this one? Kia Stinger. $2022. I'm really in love with this blue that they be hitting. No, that's what I'm guessing. And it's so basic. It gives me Mercedes-Benz on the inside. Yeah, this gives me Mercedes-Benz on the inside. Before I close out Vlogtober week 3, I just want to let you guys know that there will not be no Vlogtober week 4, and that's because I'm actually planning on just doing like a Halloween vlog, only for the simple fact is it's not really much for me to be doing for real, if I'm going to be honest with y'all. So Halloween, I am going to be getting dressed up. I'm going to be getting my makeup done. Like Halloween, I'm going to be really cute. So I'm going to go ahead and just drop a Halloween vlog for y'all instead of doing like a Vlogtober. And plus I feel like that'd be way much better because it is going to be a lot of stuff that I'm going to be doing on Halloween. So I hope you guys stay tuned for that Halloween vlog. But if you guys do like this vlog, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to your girl channel if you guys are new. And yeah, I think that's all I had to let y'all know. But I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see y'all next video. Bye y'all.